Amazing benefits of banana tea for sleeping, plus recipe. A somewhat sweet beverage known as banana tea is produced by steeping banana fruit, peel, or both in boiling water. The tea is filtered and ready to drink after a brief period of boiling. Many of the beneficial components found in bananas, including a number that aid in sleep promotion, are reported to be present in banana tea. Fortunately, banana tea is simple to make at home for people who wish to try it or see whether it aids in sleep. We go over the nutrients in bananas and describe how they could promote restful sleep. We then offer 3 straightforward instructions for making banana tea, one of which calls for dried banana peels. Finally, we provide some advice on how to make the most of banana tea. Are there benefits of banana tea for sleep? Although there hasn't been much research on banana tea, it probably contains some of the same minerals, such tryptophan, magnesium, and potassium, that help promote sleep in raw bananas. They are presumably present in banana tea since some of these nutrients are water-soluble and boiling can cause nutrients to leach into water. Nevertheless, it is unknown how many nutrients are present and how high temperatures affect those nutrients. A soothing bedtime routine can include drinking a warm, caffeine-free beverage to assist the body recognize that it is time for sleep. Additionally, studies show that consuming certain drinks at night, such chamomile tea and warm milk with honey, can enhance the quality of your sleep. How to make banana tea. There are several methods for preparing banana tea. While some recipes just call for the soft inside fruit, others also include the peel or solely utilize dried banana peel. Banana peels contain various minerals, including magnesium and potassium, even though the majority of people do not eat them. In actuality, a banana's peel has a higher magnesium content than the fruit itself. Both options have recipes included, as well as details on how to dry banana peels for use in tea. Additionally, be aware that you can utilize bananas in a variety of ripeness levels for these recipes. Your tea will probably be sweeter the riper the banana is. Banana tea without peel. 1. Peel a banana and cut the inner fruit into 3 or 4 pieces. 2. Boil the fruit in 3 cups of water for 3 to 5 minutes. 3. Strain out the banana pieces and pour the banana-infused water into a mug. Excess tea can be refrigerated. Banana tea with peel. For this recipe, it's important to use an organic banana to prevent industrial pesticides and fertilizers from contaminating your tea. 1. Thoroughly wash an unpeeled organic banana. 2. Cut the ends off the banana, and then cut it in half, keeping the fruit in the peel. 3. Boil the banana pieces in 3 cups of water for 3 to 5 minutes or until the banana begins to turn brown. 4. Strain out the banana pieces and pour the banana-infused water into a mug. Banana tea with dried banana peel. Banana peels that have been dried are used in this recipe and can be brewed like loose-leaf tea. Even without access to fresh bananas, you can still create banana tea by drying a batch of banana peels. For this dish, organic bananas should be used. 1. Take any number of organic banana peels and cut them into 1-inch square pieces. 2. Dry peel pieces in a food dehydrator. Alternately, spread peels out on a baking sheet and bake them in an oven set to 160 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 hours, or until the peels are completely dried out. 3. When you are ready to make tea, boil 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried banana peels in 2 or 3 cups of water for 3 to 5 minutes. 4. Strain and pour the banana tea into a mug. You can keep dried banana peels in an airtight jar and use them whenever you want to prepare tea. After 6 months or if you notice any mold growth, throw away dried peels. Tips for making banana tea. The following advice should be taken into account if drinking banana tea every evening becomes a habit. Modify steep time. For a stronger tea, Try cooking a banana for up to 20 minutes. Save the boiled banana for later. If you use the inside fruit to make banana tea, save the cooked fruit in your freezer for future use. Despite the fact that boiling bananas aren't particularly tasty on their own, you can use them in smoothies or baked products. Store unused banana peels in the freezer. Instead of discarding the banana peel after eating it, store it in a special freezer bag. When the bag is full, take the peels out and dehydrate them to produce dried banana peel tea by following the instructions. Add honey, cinnamon, or other spices. To improve the flavor of banana tea, you might want to add spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, or vanilla. Add a teaspoon of honey for even more sweetness. If making tea is cumbersome, having the banana as a pre-sleep snack may be helpful, coupled with good sleep rituals. Dr. Abhinav Singh, sleep physician. Consider eating a banana if you're looking for sleep benefits that go beyond the solace of your evening cup of tea. This will guarantee that you consume all of the fruit's tryptophan, magnesium, potassium, and other nutrients. Additionally, tryptophan is believed to be more readily absorbed into the brain, where it is transformed into the hormone that promotes sleep, melatonin, when consumed with carbs. You can obtain between 23 and 31 grams of carbohydrates by eating a banana, which is more than you can get from just sipping banana tea. Additionally, eating a banana will deliver all 3 grams of the fruit's fiber, which is beneficial to health and may aid in a restful night's sleep. All things considered, banana tea might be a healthy and delightful addition to your sleep routine if you appreciate the taste of bananas and love unwinding with a hot beverage at night. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.